Have you ever gazed up at the moon and wondered about its secrets? The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always held a certain mystique. Its radiant glow in the night sky, its changing phases, and its silent presence have intrigued humanity for thousands of years. From the early civilizations that revered it as a divine entity, to the scientists of today who see it as a key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe, the moon has played a significant role in shaping our understanding of the cosmos. It has been the muse of poets, the curiosity of astronomers, and the destination of daring explorers. It's a testament to our unyielding curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The moon holds secrets that have yet to be fully revealed, and each discovery brings us closer to understanding not just our lunar companion, but also our place within the vast expanse of the universe. Join us as we delve into the captivating history of lunar exploration. Since ancient times, humans have been captivated by the moon. It's a timeless fascination that transcends cultures and epochs. The early civilizations, like the Greeks and Romans, were among the first to observe the moon's phases, charting its waxing and waning across the night sky. This celestial ballet inspired them, leading to the creation of lunar calendars that marked time and guided their agricultural cycles. But the moon was more than just a celestial timekeeper. It was a font of mystery and wonder that sparked countless myths and legends. From the Roman goddess Luna, who drove her moon chariot across the heavens, to the Greek tale of Endymion and Selene, a shepherd and moon goddess ensnared in a timeless love story, the moon found its way into the heart of human storytelling. The moon's influence didn't stop at myths and legends, though. It permeated art and culture, inspiring everything from poetry to paintings. This fascination set the stage for the scientific exploration that was to come. The mid-20th century marked a pivotal era in lunar exploration. With the onset of the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union found themselves locked in a fierce rivalry that extended beyond geopolitical boundaries. This rivalry spilled into the cosmos, giving birth to the space race, a competition for supremacy in spaceflight capability. This race was not just about technological prowess. It was also a battle of ideas, a contest between two competing systems of values and governance. The Soviets initially held the lead, launching the first human-made object, Sputnik, into orbit, and later sending the first human, Yuri Gagarin, into space. However, the United States was not far behind. With a clear goal set by President John F. Kennedy, the American Space Agency, NASA, initiated the Apollo program, an ambitious project aimed at landing humans on the moon. The Apollo program was a monumental endeavor, combining cutting-edge technology, scientific ingenuity, and the indomitable human spirit. It was a testament to what we, as a species, can achieve when we dare to dream big and work together toward a common goal. The culmination of this program was the Apollo 11 mission. On July 20, 1969, NASA astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made history. As they descended from the lunar module, Armstrong famously declared, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Aldrin joined him shortly after, and together, they spent over 2 hours on the moon's surface, collecting samples and conducting experiments. This unprecedented feat marked a new era in human history. More than 500 million people around the world watched as Armstrong and Aldrin walked on the moon, united in awe and wonder. The moon landing represented more than just a technological achievement. It was a symbol of human potential, a testament to our capacity for exploration, innovation, and discovery. That moment, when humans first set foot on another celestial body, forever changed our perspective of ourselves and our place in the universe. It was indeed a giant leap, not just for the United States, but for all of humanity. The Apollo missions were about more than just landing humans on the moon. These ventures, while monumental in their own right, also served as the bedrock of scientific exploration, allowing us to delve into the mysteries of our closest celestial neighbor. Astronauts on Apollo missions weren't just space explorers, they were also scientists. Equipped with an array of scientific instruments, they conducted on-site experiments and collected lunar samples. These samples, over 800 pounds in total, were brought back to Earth, comprising rocks, core samples, and lunar soil. They served as a treasure trove for scientists, providing first-hand evidence of the moon's composition and geological history. One of the most significant discoveries was the moon's lack of a magnetic field. This was evidenced by the absence of a magnetosphere around the moon, a protective bubble that shields a planet from solar winds. This lack of a magnetic field, coupled with the moon's extremely thin atmosphere, means that the moon's surface is directly exposed to the sun's radiation, a discovery that has significant implications for any potential lunar colonization. Another major revelation was the moon's seismic activity. Seismometers placed by the Apollo missions detected moonquakes, akin to earthquakes on Earth. These quakes provided clues about the moon's internal structure, suggesting that it has a small, partially molten core. Perhaps the most profound discovery was that the moon and Earth share a common ancestry. The similarities in the isotopic compositions of lunar and terrestrial rocks lent support to the giant impact hypothesis, suggesting that the moon was formed from the debris left over after a body the size of Mars collided with Earth around 4.5 billion years ago. These missions provided valuable insights into the moon's composition, geology, and history. Each nugget of information added a piece to the puzzle, helping us to construct a more comprehensive picture of the moon. And yet, despite these strides, the moon continues to hold many secrets, reminding us that our journey of discovery is far from over. The end of the Apollo program did not mean the end of lunar exploration. Quite the contrary. The drive to understand our celestial companion did not wane but took a different form: unmanned missions. These missions, spearheaded by various countries, continued the legacy of lunar exploration, each contributing unique pieces to the lunar puzzle. The Soviet Union, a key player in the space race, launched the Luna program. Luna 24, the last of these missions, made a successful soft landing and returned lunar soil samples to Earth in 1976, providing invaluable data on the moon's composition. Not to be left out of the lunar exploration narrative, other nations joined the endeavor. China, with its Chang'e program, has made significant strides. Chang'e 4, launched in late 2018, made history as it touched down on the far side of the moon, a feat never before accomplished. This mission provided a unique perspective, allowing scientists to study a part of the moon previously unexplored. The Indian Space Research Organization, with its Chandrayaan-1 mission, made a significant contribution to lunar exploration. The mission's Moon Impact Probe detected evidence of water on the moon, a groundbreaking discovery that has implications for future manned missions and potential lunar colonization. These unmanned missions, while not as celebrated as the Apollo program, have been instrumental in furthering our understanding of the moon. They have mapped the lunar surface in unprecedented detail, studied its geophysics, and probed its craters for signs of water ice. Each mission, each discovery, has brought us one step closer to unraveling the moon's mysteries. These missions have also laid the groundwork for future exploration. As we look to the future, we see ambitious plans for lunar bases and the utilization of the moon as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration. The moon, it seems, still has many secrets to reveal. So as we stand on the cusp of a new era in lunar exploration, we remember the unmanned missions that paved the way. These missions have continued to unravel the moon's mysteries. And as we continue to explore, who knows what other secrets the moon might unveil? As we look to the future, the moon continues to captivate us. The challenges of lunar exploration are steep and many, from the vast distances and harsh lunar environment to the immense costs involved. Yet, these hurdles have not curbed our ambition, but instead have spurred us on to devise ingenious solutions and to push the boundaries of what's possible. The aspiration for lunar colonization is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible goal. The moon, with its untapped resources and strategic location, holds immense potential as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration. Imagine a future where we have established lunar bases, where humans live and work, using the moon as a launchpad for journeys to Mars and beyond. It sounds like a scenario straight out of science fiction, but with rapid advancements in technology and space infrastructure, it's a future that is becoming increasingly plausible. The 21st century has seen a shift towards increased international collaboration and commercial ventures in lunar exploration. Space agencies like ESA and Roscosmos, alongside private companies, are joining hands in a shared pursuit of lunar knowledge and resources. Initiatives like NASA's Artemis program aim to return humans to the moon by the late 2020s, this time to stay, paving the way for a sustainable presence on the moon. This new era of lunar exploration is marked by a spirit of cooperation and competition, as nations and companies alike strive to make their mark on the lunar landscape. The moon has become a shared frontier, a common goal that unites us in our quest for knowledge and exploration. As we embark on new lunar missions, The history of lunar exploration serves as a reminder of the challenges overcome and the endless potential for discovery. The moon, Earth's celestial companion, continues to beckon us, and as we look to the stars, we stand on the threshold of a new chapter in our journey of lunar exploration.